Hey everybody, this is Chris Holdreed, and I'm here today because I want to show you guys a nice little tool that I found. Was looking for a lighter weight tack hammer. Growing up, my dad had a very nice selection of different hammers, all of different ounces and different sizes. I've been shopping around trying to find one, but pretty much everything that you're finding, nowadays on tack hammers, you're looking at something that's in the 8-ounce range, and I wanted something a little bit lighter weight. So what I stumbled upon, ironically actually looking for some tools for my daughter, is at Lowe's they have these fantastic little 4-ounce hammers, just about the right size, excellent balance, and turns out that they are a perfect little tack hammer because they come with a nice size grip for fits adults as well as children. The newer versions of this even have this very slick little nail holder. Just threads into the base, slide it out, it's magnetic so it'll hold a nail, and you can even save your fingers a little bit with it. I highly recommend it. We've got 2 of them now because I had to confiscate my daughter's version of this for a project I was working on, so I had to get her a new one. Love the hammer. Hopefully if you guys are looking for a lighter weight tack hammer to do some finishing nails, you'll go out and give this one a try if you don't have something as small as 4 ounces. Please jump on down, subscribe. We would love for you guys to be able to catch on to all of our videos as we get ready to post them. And we would love any of the comments that you might have. We're always open to suggestions on how we can improve and for type of videos that you guys would like to see. So again, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys soon.